Where's Oak Creek? Used to be over there somewhere, but now it's Oak River. Look at that. Just look at how much water's coming through that thing. I would not like to get trapped in that. Yeah, 6-foot culvert really ain't doing the job, I can see. Or as you can see, the 6-foot culvert ain't doing its job. Surprised it didn't really run over here. Well, it might have right here just a little bit, but it ain't that bad. Last time there was water all the way up there, that post. All the way up there. There's water. Oh, no, white. No, it looks like it just basically ran over here. Yeah, good thing we picked up that fence. That was a retarded deal. Last year, took the fence. We picked it up finally. Man, can you imagine being carried away in that? Hope bell pepper don't get in it. Cutting the road. Well, heck, you can see how far it went up over there. Yeah, it must have been way the heck up. Here. Yep. Well, when an 1.5 inches comes within half an hour, this is what you get. A flooded lake. So, yeah, the 6-foot culvert's down there somewhere. I'm not really sure where it is, but it's down there somewhere. Yeah, what a mess. What a mess. That wing is kind of screwed up, so we're going to have to get all that trash out of there, fix the wing. Just basically replace all the boards. The other one's fine, just the one got broken with a log one time. Nope, there was water up to right here. You could see that there was water that was going around here when we came down here. So, last huge flood we had, which was a major flood, we got 6 inches overnight. It was still raining in the morning, but when you get 6 inches, yeah, it's kind of a screwy deal. Sure hope this corn comes back. This is my sweet corn over here. If it don't come back, I'm screwed. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Somebody. Nope, it's sweet corn up till I got my flags. And I need to spray my Indian corn. Ooh. A little stripped up. Too bad. Right there, I ended up accidentally doing that row, so. Heck. Where Dad hit, this is actually the best looking row. That he did not hit with the hiller. Bent the flag right over. Yeah. Really sucks. We had some corn that was looking like it was gonna do great this year. We healed it and we're about ready to lay out pipe, and this hit. We were thinking about. And then the field went underwater. The field went right underwater. No, the ground was white. I mean, it wasn't miserable. It wasn't that good. Yeah, there's leaves everywhere. A couple branches have fallen. I haven't been back to the garden yet. Last night I know it was a lake, so we couldn't look at it because the drainage ain't the best off that. Yep, there's a big branch from one of these two trees. They're both getting cut down this fall and or spring. Crap, this thing is pretty good size with the leaves on it. Used to be a bunch of trees here, we cut them down. Never got to these. Oh yeah, I better make sure none of the chickens got hit. Hi! You can't even see. I planted carrots here, you can't even see where I put them. Seeds are probably everywhere. Yeah, it looks like maybe. Held my carrots out. Held my carrots out. Beat the crap out of this stuff. Let me see, that one might not make it. It may come back. That one's dead. Got hit at the root base. Gosh dang, this one was. The leaves were washed into the ground. Ain't never seen that before. That one's half dead. It might be all dead. That one's dead. Wish I was a farmer, crop grower, 28 blades on the back of my tiller. That's a funny vine. Oh. I just don't think it's quite so stripped up. Probably because, dang it! Well, so much for not having to come back in. Yeah, washed all my dirt back in my ridges. Washed all my dirt back in my ridges. Freak! Oh, for frick's sakes. Yep. That is gonna suck. I gotta re-heal everything. As soon as it dries out. There's still water sitting in the back there. That's a really low spot right there. Someone who was running the tiller pulled all the dirt away from here. Yeah. I'm having to re-ridge now, so maybe I can make a video of that. Great. Look at that. Just clear the heck in. That's right now you're at the very bottom of the ridge. That ain't gonna hold water at all. Move these things over. I'm trying to keep the rabbits from them. I hate rabbits. So, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.